In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a contact card. First, log into your account. Then open up the Point section or Digital Tools section. With the contact card selected, click on Create a Contact Card. This informs us that it will cash in 20 points. Now, activate the product. The system shows that it is activated, and now you will add in your information. Once inside the editor, under the Design section, choose your preferred color palette. Once a color is selected, the preview will reflect the change. Now it's time to add a header image. Respect the recommended image size or make sure that the image is rectangular to prevent distortion. Click on the Add button and select a previously prepared image from the device. Once it is loaded, click on the image and the card preview will update. Next, choose a profile picture. Under General Information, write your name or a project identifier and any extra information that you deem appropriate. Now, click on Update. Now head over to Social Networks. Here you can choose which ones you want to use by adding in information, and once the data is completed, click Update. You can also choose the language of preference. And at the bottom of the preview, you will find a link. From here, you can copy it and send the card to your contacts. SmartApp, more than a smart contract, it's a smart way of doing business.